Alright, what's up guys? So pretty much in this portion of the video we're just going to be explaining like where we've been, like future goals for the channel, and everything like that. So that's what we're going to get into. Joker, hey, no, come here. What does he got?
Hey
yeah,
guys,
we got new additionals to the family as well. This is Joker.
This is Joker, guys.
The Frenchie.
What was this thing chilling on?
What is that?
Oh.
Yep.
This man is chilling.
We definitely haven't been like gone dead, clearly. So
yeah.
pretty much the only thing is that we just been really focusing on like looking for jobs and stuff like that, so that we could get paychecks, of course. Look into like what we want to do for career wise. So with that being said, we've been like, for example, like school and stuff, we've been working extra hard to go towards our career goals. So that's what slows down uploads. And it's just little things such as computer crashes, editing software crashes and stuff like that just get in the way of like slowing down the process of editing and uploading. So then at that point, when they get like deleted, I kind of lose motivation and it kind of just gets pushed off and then never uploaded. So yeah, I think the last time we've uploaded was like 7 months ago. So
we're gonna try to upload a lot more than we used to now. We're hoping that this is our video of like, all right, we're back.
Yeah.
So like, and we're gonna try to do things a lot more legitly than you saw us doing before. We're not gonna cut springs. We're not gonna spray paint stuff just cause we're bored. We're actually gonna do things legit. We have tools now.
And also with that, our videos are going to be more like clear on like what we're doing. So if we're doing like a tutorial on how to install coilovers, for example, we would actually explain what we're doing in the process of doing it and kind of make it more clear on shots and stuff, so you can see where bolts are and stuff like that, so that you can follow along if you're trying to watch it as a tutorial. But keep in mind, our channel is really more based off of entertainment. So
yeah, it's gonna be more like vlog fun.
Yeah,
you'll see what we do.
Yeah, versus tutorials. So, but we will still always add tutorials and clear things up for you guys. If you always have like concerns, always drop a comment, because I definitely will get back with you guys. Like future goals for the channel. So you'll see eventually that our name's going to change. Our pictures and stuff, like our logos and stuff, are going to change. Of course, if the name changes, that's going to change. Everything before this video is going to remain the same. So if you're like someone who is like new to the channel, just, you know, if you see alpha builds in the descriptions and stuff like that, and thumbnails, it's all old and everything. We're just done with that. Yeah. So yeah, eventually we're going to start up an Instagram again and start posting like our pictures and stuff like that on Instagram, and start trying to start a fan base on that as well. But mostly we're just focusing on, you know, of course, YouTube. So what you guys could see like in the future is we are going to be installing coilovers or stock suspension. I'm not sure on my car soon, hopefully. I'm gonna be doing an oil change, which isn't nothing really special. Hopefully I can get rims, Evo rims with tires, of course, and get rid of these, you know, boofy rims I have.
Alright guys, so Tyler, you want to explain to them what we're doing?
Putting this shit back.
yeah, pretty much. So remember when we gutted all that?
Wow. It's back to this life.
Oh, and it falls back down? Yeah.
That's an L.
Well, so we're putting everything back, because...
Why not?
Why not, yeah. Alright guys, update. So we got that piece in, we got this piece locked in, and then we got the whole thing up here. And then I think all we have really is that piece right there that goes right here. Guys, we're just gonna apologize in advance for not being able to record the process of putting this on. Honestly, it's nothing major, just literally bolting it up, twisting so that it stays. Yeah, you already saw this. Well guys,
oh, how weird is it gonna look? Oh, it didn't take me that long to get used to it with the spoiler again.
Hold on, I gotta see how the interior looks.
Dude, I love it now.
Yay! Oh yeah, now it's full.
It looks like a car again.
Yeah, it looks like a freaking car.
You know, how much you want to bet the sound's going to dramatically change too?
I hope so.
Doing an oil change, and I'm reinstalling all 4 struts and shocks because mine right now are busted and bad. So it's time to get off of these and put new ones in. So I went to the junkyard yesterday and pulled some off of another 4G. But right now, coming across multiple problems that is stopping me right now. So one, D'Angelo has his tools in his car, which he went to go get tires. So I don't really have a variety of tools right now. But the first problem is that I have no nuts on this, and the spare will not come off no matter what I do. It just on there. The next problem that I have is when I was taking off these nuts, this one decided to get stuck inside of the socket, and I've been trying for the past like 45 minutes on trying to get this out, and it looks like I'm going to have to throw the socket away. But yeah, so that's the second problem. Now let me show you the third. So then on this realm, this nut right here is stripping and will not come off no matter what I do. It just keeps stripping around it and I can't get it off. So this realm's stuck, that realm is stuck, and my spare. So I'm still going to record the oil process. It's actually simple if you've never done an oil change. Alrighty guys, oil is draining. And right now we're on a mission of trying to get all this junk off the struts so we can just have the shocks itself. Alrighty guys, so meet Apollo. This is D's dog, because you guys already met Joker the Frenchie.
Yeah.
We got Jordan here. And guys, we got a little surprise for the Eclipse, you know? Look at these little bad boys. So we're putting those on and getting rid of these hideous realms. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So guys, turns out that the jack kind of sits high and my car is sitting a bit too low because the shock's going bad. And yeah, definitely not in the right spot, but
yeah, bro, he has coilovers, bro.
So guys, this is what they would look like, but unfortunately, my freaking lugs don't fit. And then hopefully we could do this another time.
But it looks good.
Yeah.